Hi guys, welcome to honest, straightforward reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. Hi guys, today will be a little bit different. It's an unboxing of the Beats Studio 3 wireless Decade Edition. Now these were made in black and red, and they did it for all of their lineup, so the Beats Studio, Solo, Power Beats, etc. And they all came in that color. Now first things first, you'll notice that it says it's 10 years on big red on the top right hand corner. So that tells you that it's a limited edition, decade edition kind of thing. Other than that, basically it's the same headphones. It's just different color, different boxing and things like that. For example, so that decade edition again, like the 10 years, then it says established 08 and a nice red. Then it says Decade of Defiance. Now it also says 10 years on it as well, and it's not the normal leather looking case that you get with the Studio 3 wireless. You got a tough denim and a really big zipper as well, not the normal small one. Beneath that, it's exactly the same. You, however, do get a different colored wire. Normally the wire, if you got a white Beats with a red, gold on it, you'll get a white cable. But the cable you get with this is red instead of black for listening, and of course it's got the charging cable as well. Now everything else, like you get the fast fuel, the 22 hours of listening music, and and the W1 chip where you bring it close and it seamlessly connects to your iPhone or iDevice or computer, being Apple. Okay, let's open up the headphones. First things you'll notice is the inside is nice soft leather instead of just being normal. Other than that, you'll notice the color difference. It's black matte and red matte in matte color. I don't know how I feel about it being in gloss. I'm a bit of, I think I lean a bit more towards gloss, but you gotta it looks good, but then fingerprint issues, you know. Other than that, it's exactly the same feel, same design, nothing's different, but they're not going to make any more of these. So that's it from me. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.